Once upon a time, in a magical school filled with witches and wizards, lived a young boy named Severus Snape. He was known for his dark hair and piercing eyes, but many didn't know his true heart. Severus was a lonely child, often misunderstood by his peers. He spent most of his time in the library, reading books about potions and spells. His favorite was the book of the ancient dark arts. One day, a new teacher arrived at Hogwarts. Professor Snape was assigned to teach potions. The students were afraid of him, but Severus felt a strange connection. In class, Professor Snape was stern and exacting, but he also showed a deep understanding of potions. Severus was fascinated and worked hard to impress him. One day, during a class, a student accidentally poisoned themselves. The school was in panic, but Severus remembered a potion he had read about in one of his books. Quickly, he rushed to the teacher's table, grabbing the needed ingredients. With a steady hand, he brewed the antidote, saving the student's life. Professor Snape was impressed and saw the potential in Severus. From that day on, he started to treat Severus with kindness and respect. Severus continued to excel in potions, and with Professor Snape's guidance, he became one of the best potion masters in Hogwarts. Years passed, and Severus grew from a lonely boy into a respected teacher. He never forgot the kindness Professor Snape showed him, and he vowed to help others, just as Professor Snape had helped him. And so, Severus Snape became a beacon of hope for many students at Hogwarts, teaching them the art of potions with wisdom and care. The end.